It's back. Sleeker, smarter, and faster than ever, this is the 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder. A name that once defined the hybrid hypercar segment is reborn with more power, more tech, and even more edge. Let's dive into this automotive masterpiece and see why it's once again setting the standard for the future of speed. From every angle, the new 918 Spyder is sculpted for performance. The silhouette is unmistakably Porsche, but now even sharper. A revised front splitter, adaptive aerodynamics, and active flaps all work together to optimize downforce or reduce drag depending on your drive mode. Carbon fiber is everywhere, in the mirrors, side skirts, and that dramatic rear diffuser. And check out those all-new OLED taillights, thin, crisp, and pure Porsche attitude. Form meets function in every curve. Step inside, and you're transported to the future. The 2026 918 Spyder features a minimalist yet high-tech interior, with dual curved OLED displays, a floating center console, and an updated haptic steering interface inspired by Formula E. Drivers sit low in lightweight carbon bucket seats, surrounded by premium Alcantara, forged aluminum, and customizable ambient lighting. Even the sound system is engineered, using Porsche's active sound shaping to bring out the best of both electric and engine tones. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the 918 Spyder doesn't just evolve, it explodes. The updated powertrain combines a high-revving 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 with two electric motors, one at each axle, for a mind-bending 1,000 plus horsepower. 0 to 60. Just 2.1 seconds. Top speed. Over 218 miles per hour. And thanks to a next-gen battery pack, you now get up to 40 miles of pure electric range, making this hypercar surprisingly usable for short urban runs. With Porsche's e-Boost and Torque Vectoring Plus, the car adapts instantly, from silent EV cruising to full-throttle apex hunting monster. And the braking? Regenerative with carbon ceramic discs for maximum control. The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder is more than just a hypercar. It's a fusion of raw analog power and digital precision, a symbol of where the future of performance is headed, with the soul of motorsport behind the wheel. What do you think? Has Porsche once again built the ultimate hybrid hypercar? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss the next evolution of automotive excellence. Thanks for watching, and keep chasing speed.